welcome back to 5'9" Plus Size Beauty. It's me, Joyce, and this video is recent favorites. I got some favorites. I've been talking about them in different videos, but I wanted to dedicate a specific video to the favorites that I'm loving and recent favorites that I'm loving. So the first item I'll talk about is the Sephora lip liner. And I'll try and show y'all the name of it. I think it's Molasses. Is that Molasses? Y'all know I can't see it, and I really can't see when I got lashes on. So this is the actual name of it. I want to say it's Molasses. Let me see. Is that upside down? I don't think it's Molasses. But this is the name of it right here. And I want to say it's Molasses. But y'all, I cannot get enough of this lip liner. And I got 10 minutes worth of battery left on this iPad. So let me hurry up. Y'all, today I squirted the last of this foundation. And tomorrow is Mother's Day. So actually, Ashlyn asked me what did I want for Mother's Day, so it would be this right here. This is the Sephora Best Skin Ever Foundation, and I'm in 57Y. Y'all, when I tell you, it just goes on like butter. It just goes on so good. And it's actually competing with my other favorite, which is the e.l.f. Halo Gold Liquid Filter Foundation. So these two foundations are my favorite for the springtime. I've been actually looking for some foundations for summer. I think I want to actually get into tinted moisturizers. But this one, I think the e.l.f. one is $14. Keep in mind, I will have all of these linked down in the description box and also in the comment section. So yes, the e.l.f. Halo Glow and Sephora Best Skin Ever are my top favorites that I'm loving right now. Really love both of them. All right, now y'all know I have been on this kick for these freaking e.l.f. liquid blushes, baby. I only have three of them. I was actually out looking for another one. I want Berry Well, but y'all, I don't know how many times I can tell y'all, go and get your hands on these liquid blushes from e.l.f. They're only $7. I have one on now. These liquid blushes are fire. Hot. Sizzling. They the GOAT for right now. Now, I also like this one from Juvia's Place. And this is Pink Lady Glow. But y'all, I don't know what it is about these three. I'm always using these. Now, Perfect Peach is the one that I actually got lately. And today I hit back up. I want to say this one is Mauve something. Y'all know I can't see the names on them, but I will show you. I know this one is Pink Lady Glow. And I will show y'all the bottoms. Y'all really need to go pick these up. I'm going to put the link in the comment section. I have done swatches of these liquid blushes. Don't skip out on these liquid blushes, ladies. I'm telling y'all, they are great. They are really, really good. All right, let's see what else. Now, I'm not going to look. The NYX Buttermilk blushes. Buttermilk bronzers. I have one of the blushes, and I haven't used her yet, so I can't include her. Oh, but these bronzers, though. This one is in the color Butter Than You. They blend out so good and so easy. Now, this is pretty dark. This is the darkest one they have, but then you would have the next one is Butter Days, And I've talked actually about both of them, but I'm really drawn to this one. Yo, I don't know why y'all playing with NYX. These are not these are drugstore. They're very affordable. Affordability. So we can get more and more. So yeah, let's see. What else do I have on my table? Now, concealers. I usually love the e.l.f. Camo concealers. But y'all, it's something about this Sephora concealer that does it for me every single time. I do have it on. And this color, I can't show, I don't know what color it is. But I think it's pecan something. But I don't even think they carry this line anymore. I'm going to actually look tomorrow when I go to Kohl's, because we don't have a actual freestanding store but of Sephora here in Killeen. But y'all, this one right here, it hits every time. It hits every time. Now, as y'all can see, Ashlyn said I got the duck nails on. So I installed these today. You'll probably see the video of me installing these today. But y'all, when I tell y'all another thing that I'm loving are the Shein nails, baby. I got 2 boxes. I have 2 boxes of nails from Shein. 2 boxes. This one is 14. I can't even tell you how many is in this one. And I've been collecting them and collecting them. Y'all, get in. I will put the links for the nails that I have bought. Then, the other things that I want to tell y'all about. Look. Shein eyelashes are never any more than $3. Y'all see how many I've been using them. I have on this set actually. And so that means I need to actually get the order in some more. If y'all want to help out with any makeup products that I buy, y'all can always hit my Cash App. I ain't too broad to big. I want some more makeup, child. I want more makeup. But them Shein nails, y'all, and the Shein lashes, y'all need to get into them. Get into them. Now, I actually did a 40 pan swatch of the NYX Ultimate Utopia palette. Y'all will see that video probably before you see this one. I want to like it. I actually used some of these some of the eyeshadows from that palette today, but the swatches weren't good, but I still feel like the eyeshadows are really, really good. Okay? Let me see what y'all know my favorite. I ain't gonna switch up on the Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and this one is in the color 60 in the color Deep. This my bitch right here. This her. She my bitch. So let me see what else. I pulled them out. Oh, and then here I pulled everything out last night because I was actually I wanted to make sure I had everything that I actually love. You have the lip oils. I have 2 from e.l.f., which they don't really give you a color payoff, but they do feel good. And it's a cheap alternative. I actually have an expensive lip oil, and this is by Lawless Beauty. But I actually go for the e.l.f.'s one, and even the NYX one, even more than this one. They just feel good. I put them on my lips when I first start to do my makeup. I wipe it off. My lips are moisturized. Yeah, and I will have the links down in the description box and also in the comment section. So now I use this. I've used it twice, and this right here is the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. I actually set my face with this. I got to use this a couple of more times, but when I tell you, the Elf Hydro Grip Primer. I have the one with niacinamide and the original one. Both of them are good. And these are dupes for the Milk Hydro Grip Primer by Milk Cosmetics. Don't even waste your time. Just go get one of these. I promise y'all, I'm not gonna lead y'all wrong. I'm not gonna tell y'all nothing or try and promote anything that I don't like. I love the products that I have showed you all. So thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all know what I use as far as my brow products. Now this is my favorite, and I don't think I'm gonna need another one. I don't think I'm gonna get another one. The Elf Brow Lift. I love this. It's clear. If I use another one, it will be only because I want to actually just try something else out. But and then this is the Elf Lock and Cream Eyebrow in Espresso. I use these all the time. I haven't found a need to go. I've looked at some other ones to replace them, but like I said, if they're not broke, don't try and fix it. You know what I'm saying? So this actual iPad is getting ready to cut off on me. Y'all, today is Saturday the 11th. I think tomorrow, I know tomorrow is Mother's Day. Y'all, to all the women and men that take care of children, happy Mother's Day to y'all. Y'all stay blessed and stay safe. Don't forget, the links will be in the comment section, and they will also be in the description box. I want y'all to go down there. Yes, I might get 2 to 3 cents off of y'all clicking off those links if you go and purchase something. But help a sister out or hit the Cash App, baby. I'm in my makeup bag right now. So y'all stay blessed and stay safe. Have a happy and safe Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Peace, guys.